All right, Sonia, what is the one thing we could brainstorm for you such that would make everything else easier and or unnecessary?
I've found that most of the ones that I like to work with are anywhere from 60 to 75. They're super lovely. They usually are, their husbands are lawyers or there's something like that. And so those are the ones that it just goes so smoothly versus the computer guys. We're not,
Okay,
but,
so here's some
but-
questions, right? Hold on, real
Mhm.
quick. Let's zoom in on this. Here's some questions. Where do they associate? Where do they network?
Okay.
Right? They have social lives and they're involved.
Where do they associate and where do they
Yeah, where do they
network?
associate? Where do they network? Where do they socialize? Where do they network?
Okay. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's what I was trying to hit, trying to go into who do I go look for them or find their community, basically,
Yep.
right?
So it sounds like in order to have this information that you have now, it's you probably already have serviced some of them. You've probably already worked for some already, correct?
Yes.
Just circle back to them and say, just and you can just say, "Hi, Joanne. This is Sonia. I want to circle back first to tell you thank you for your business, and two, I enjoyed working for you so much that I would love to work for 100 more people just like you." And she might laugh or whatever and say, "So I've got a fun question for you. Where do you hang out? Who do you hang out with? Where do you network? Where do you socialize? Where are
Ooh,
your people?" And
I
just
like
have
it.
fun with it, and they'll
Okay,
understand
I
what you're
can do that.
saying, and just be genuine about it. And but what you do is you lead with a compliment to them, which is authentic. We really enjoyed working with you. We would love to work with 100 more people just like you. Where are your people?
Yes, I love that. Okay. That's pretty much where I was needing help directing. Okay. All right. Appreciate
Yeah, there you
it.
go. Awesome.